A broken bank link in the B9 app usually happens when your bank login changes, the connection session expires, or the app can't properly sync your transaction data anymore. By the end of this, you'll know how to fully reset a broken bank connection, how to reconnect it correctly, and how to prevent the issue from coming back. Start by opening the B9 app and going to your linked bank account settings. If your bank shows as disconnected, the connection has already failed and needs a full reset instead of a quick refresh. Next, remove the existing bank connection completely. Trying to reconnect without deleting the old link often causes repeated login or verification errors. After removing it, reconnect your bank using your official online banking login. Use the same username and password you normally use for your bank's app or website. If login fails, the issue is usually with your bank credentials, not the B9 app itself. Next, open your bank's app or website directly, and confirm you can still log in. If your bank login doesn't work there, no third-party app will be able to connect either. Now check if your bank recently changed security settings or required a password reset. Banks often break external connections after security updates, even when your login still works normally. If that happened, update your credentials first before reconnecting in B9. Next, make sure your B9 app is fully updated. Older versions can block new connections or fail to refresh account data properly. If the connection still fails, sign out of the B9 app and sign back in. That forces a fresh session and can clear stuck authentication issues. If you recently changed phones, banks, or passwords, the system may require a clean relink before it stabilizes. In that case, removing and reconnecting is the only reliable fix. Try reconnecting on a stable Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data. Weak connections can interrupt the login process and break the sync halfway through. Avoid repeatedly attempting login without deleting the old connection first. That can create duplicate sync conflicts that make the issue harder to fix. If nothing works, contact B9 support with your bank name and error message details. To sum it up, delete the broken bank link, reconnect with updated credentials, verify your bank login, and refresh your app session. Next, always do a clean reset instead of stacking failed connection attempts. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more B9 tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.